As the demand for renewable energy continues to rise, more and more Canadians are considering solar power as a viable option. But before diving into the world of photovoltaic panels, it's essential to understand one key factor of cost. How much does a solar panel actually cost in Canada? Well, hold on tight because we're about to shed some light on this electrifying topic. From the initial investment to long-term savings, we'll explore all aspects of solar panel pricing and help you navigate through the sunniest path towards sustainability. The benefits of solar energy. Solar energy offers numerous benefits, making it an attractive choice for a wide range of applications, from residential to commercial and beyond. Here are some of the primary benefits of solar energy. Environmentally friendly. Reduces carbon emissions. Solar panels produce electricity without emitting greenhouse gases. This can help reduce carbon footprints. Decreases air pollutants. Solar power generation results in fewer pollutants like sulfur dioxide, particulates, and nitrogen oxides, which can lead to health problems and environmental damage. Renewable energy source. The sun provides an unlimited source of energy, unlike finite fossil fuels. Reduces electricity bills. Once installed, solar panels can significantly reduce or even eliminate electricity bills, depending on the system size and energy consumption. Low maintenance. Solar panel systems require minimal maintenance. Typically, once installed, only periodic cleaning and occasional checks are necessary. Energy independence. Reduces reliance on fossil fuels. By using solar energy, dependence on imported and volatile fossil fuels can decrease. Grid independence. With sufficient battery storage, homes and businesses can operate off the grid, making them immune to power outages. Scalability and flexibility. Solar installations can be easily scaled up or down based on needs and space availability. Systems can range from small rooftop setups for homes to vast solar farms for utility-scale power generation. Technological advancement. The solar industry has seen rapid technological improvements, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and the development of innovative products like flexible solar panels and solar tiles. Supports grid stability. Distributed solar installations can alleviate the load on central power grids, especially during peak demand, thereby improving grid stability. Economic growth. Solar installations can stimulate local economies by utilizing local resources and decreasing energy import costs. Reduces water usage. Solar photovoltaic PV systems don't need water to generate electricity, unlike many traditional power generation methods, preserving valuable water resources. Potential for energy storage. When paired with battery storage systems, solar energy can be stored and used during times when the sun isn't shining, providing a continuous power supply. Increases property value. Homes equipped with solar panel systems often have higher property values due to the potential for reduced energy costs for future occupants. Incentives and tax breaks. Many governments and local authorities offer incentives, rebates, and tax breaks to encourage solar installations, reducing the overall investment cost. How much does a solar panel cost in Canada? The cost of solar panels in Canada can vary based on a number of factors, including the type of solar panel, the manufacturer, the installer, and any incentives or rebates available. As of my last update in 2023, here's a rough estimate to give you an idea. Price per watt. In Canada, the cost of solar panels before any incentives or rebates is typically between CAD 2.50 and $3.50 per watt. So, for a standard residential solar panel with a capacity of 300 watts, this equates to a price range of CAD $750 to $1,050. System size. Most residential solar installations are between 5 kilowatts and 10 kilowatts. So, using the price range given above, a 5 kilowatt system would cost between CAD $12,500 and $17,500. A 10 kilowatt system would be between CAD $25,000 and $35,000. Additional costs. Beyond the panels themselves, there are additional costs associated with inverters, mounting equipment, labor, permits, and potential grid connection fees. Depending on the complexity of the installation, these can add a significant amount to the total cost. Incentives and rebates. Provinces in Canada may have incentive programs, rebates, or tax credits for solar panel installations, and these can greatly reduce the net cost to homeowners. It's important to research provincial and local programs when considering the financial aspects of a solar installation. Price decline over time. Solar panel costs have been dropping over the years, so prices may have decreased further since 2023. It's always a good idea to get multiple quotes from local installers to get the most accurate and up-to-date pricing. Average cost of solar panels in Canada. As of my last update in 2023, solar panel costs in Canada have been experiencing a decline, reflecting a global trend due to technological advancements, increased demand, and more streamlined production processes. However, prices can fluctuate based on various factors, including global supply chain dynamics, changes in government incentives, and local market conditions. Here are some ballpark figures based on 2023 data. Price per watt. In Canada, the cost of solar panels before any incentives or rebates was typically between CAD 2.50 and $3.50 per watt. System size. For residential installations, a 5 kilowatt system might cost between CAD $12,500 and $17,500 before any rebates or incentives. A 10 kilowatt system could range from CAD $25,000 to $35,000 before any rebates or incentives. These figures are general estimates and might not include additional costs related to inverters, mounting equipment, labor, permits, potential grid connection fees, and other expenses that can be associated with a solar installation. Furthermore, different provinces in Canada have their incentive programs, rebates, or tax credits for solar panel installations. Such programs can substantially financing options for solar panels in Canada. In Canada, the transition to solar energy has been supported by various financing options to help homeowners and businesses make the switch. Some of the options and programs available in Canada as of 2023 include grants and rebates. Provincial and municipal governments often offer grants, rebates, or tax incentives for residents and businesses who install solar panels. The specifics of these programs can vary widely depending on the jurisdiction. Net metering. Many provinces have net metering programs that allow homeowners to feed excess electricity produced by their solar panels back into the grid. This results in credits on their electricity bill, effectively offsetting the cost of the solar installation over time. Solar loans. Some Canadian financial institutions offer green or energy-efficient loans specifically designed for renewable energy projects, including solar installations. Terms and interest rates can vary, but they're often competitive. Home equity line of credit. HELOC. A HELOC can be used to finance a solar panel installation, taking advantage of the equity built up in a home. Mortgage refinancing. Some homeowners choose to refinance their mortgage to fund their solar installation, taking advantage of lower interest rates. Property assessed clean energy PACE programs. Certain municipalities offer PACE financing, where the loan for the solar installation is repaid through an assessment of the homeowner's property tax bill. The loan is attached to the property rather than the individual. This can be an attractive option as it allows the costs and benefits of the solar system to transfer to the new owner if the property is sold. Leasing or power purchase agreements PPAs. Although less common in Canada than in some other countries, leasing or PPAs can allow homeowners to have a solar system installed on their property with little to no upfront cost. They then either pay a monthly lease fee or purchase the power produced by the system at a contracted rate. Credit unions and community investment programs. Some local credit unions or community-based organizations offer financing or investment programs specifically designed for renewable energy projects. Manufacturer or installer financing. Some solar panel manufacturers or installation companies in Canada might provide their financing options, often in partnership with financial institutions. It's essential to note that while these financing options can help offset the initial cost, they should be carefully considered in the context of long-term benefits, potential savings, and overall return on investment. Before deciding on any particular option, it's recommended to consult with financial advisors and to get multiple quotes and financing terms from solar providers. Additionally, always keep an eye on provincial and federal programs, as incentives and financing options can change over time. Lastly, remember that while the upfront cost can be significant, solar panels can result in substantial savings over their lifetime by reducing or even eliminating electricity bills, and they can potentially increase the value of your property.